Hi guys, this is going to be a little bit of an emotional video because I am making something with one of my mom's blouses, and this is the one that I've chosen. I just held it up to my face and I could smell my mom, and I'm a little emotional right now. But I've seen online these pillows that they make with your loved one's shirt or blouse. This could be a gift for any time of the year. And so I bought these 2 photo frames at the dollar store. I have 2 of them, and I'm gonna be using those as part of this gift I'm going to give my sisters. And so I came up with this idea, and I wanted to share it with you in case you ever wanted to maybe make something special like this for someone in your family. Like I said, it doesn't have to be Christmas, it could be any time of the year. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm planning to do. I found 2 pictures with each of my sisters next to my mom while my mom was wearing this same blouse. And so I'll show you as I go along. I hope you'll join me today. So I'm going to start out by opening these photo frame displays, and I like it because it doesn't have a glass, which I could always remove the glass, but I like it also because it has this little rope here where I could hang 2 pictures that I'm going to put. And so let me go ahead and take the plastic off of these. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that this little idea can work for someone special in your family who has had loss. This is what it looks like. And you can put the pictures like that, separate. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is, well, let me open up the other one first. Also, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these papers that they put as photos from the frame. Then I'm going to pop out these little metal holders that it has. Okay, and I'm gonna pop out, here's the frame. I'm gonna put that to the side. And I'm going to pop out the back, and I'm gonna do the same with the other frame. Now comes the time where I'm going to get my mom's blouse, and I used to go out with her while she was wearing this. I have a lot of her blouses there. And I have to see where exactly I want to cut it. I would like there to be have a little pocket on each of the ones I'm going to make here. Maybe I can just cut straight up here and turn it around. I may have to use the entire back. Let's see. Okay. So at least here I think I have a lot of the benefit of the material. And I have the top of her blouse here. Look at that. Let me show you. I could make like a little shrug for myself with one of my mom's blouses. I think I'll wear this. What do you think? A little shrug. Anyway, so I would like to use a pocket, but I don't know that I can do that with both of them. Oh, let me bring it down again. But I really wanted to put a pocket in there. I don't know why right now. I don't know why I'm wanting to put this pocket here, but I am for some reason. Maybe what I could do is take a piece from the back and then add the pocket. I'm sorry, you guys, I hadn't really planned this out before I started doing it, but I think I'm going to put in the pockets after. I can do that. I'm going to, okay, so I'm going to outline along the backing of the frame just so I could cut it down to size. And I will have to do it one more time, but let's cut this one first. Has to be a good pair of scissors. So that's one of them. And now I'm going to cut the other. I'm going to use some Mod Podge. Good idea to put something under to protect your table. Brush on the Mod Podge. This is kind of thin. I hope it works. Okay, so let me brush on the Mod Podge, which is really like watered down glue. Now, I'm going to get a piece of the shirt, my mom's blouse, and put it over the Mod Podge. Make sure you don't get any wrinkles. And just stretch it out. Now I'm going to staple around. Where I'm stapling so much in the edge where the frame would fall so you would not see the staples. Okay. Give the Mod Podge some time to dry. That looks really nice. Now I'm going to do the same with the other one. Okay. I think I can start placing these back into the frames. This first. Okay guys, so I decided that I want to give this a little bit of stability because the cardboard that they put is kind of flimsy. And I want it to be a little bit more sturdy. So let's see if this works. I cut out 2 pieces of cardboard from a box. And I think that should do it. I think that should make it a lot more sturdy. So, and it doesn't have to cover the whole back. Just so that it gives it a little bit of stability in the center, and that should work. So I'll just mark where I want to cut. For this. And I'll use this to mark the other one as well. can just staple it. Let's see if my stapler will go through, and it does. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to staple it on the 4 ends, and then I'm gonna get some duct tape. Just finding solutions as we go along, right? Okay, let me go get some duct tape. And I buy this duct tape at the Dollar Tree. It's the heavy duty black one. So I just want to avoid adding more Mod Podge because, you know, it's wet and I don't want to make it more wobbly. So I'll add that there. It certainly has given it a more sturdy feel, much more sturdy. Oh yeah, much better. Ooh, yeah, that's what it needed. Okay. Okay, now let's put this back. And here, make sure that the little clips to secure it are over it, folding them back down to hold the backing in place. And that is what we have so far. So this is one of the pictures of my sister with my mom wearing that same blouse. They're in a restaurant and there's a cup here with a napkin. I'm going to hang that right from here, like that. And then I found this, which I printed from the internet, and it says, made of clothes from Mom So Dear to help you know she is still near. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to hang this one up from here. Like that. I want to add a pocket in each of them. So I've cut out the pockets. I'm going to cut around the pocket as tightly as I can without ruining it. We're getting into the stitching that it has. Aren't those buttons pretty? Like little diamond studs. I'm gonna hot glue it. Let me get the picture out of the way. Okay. And this picture as well. And I'm going to hot glue the pocket right there. I like that pocket there. I'm gonna put something in there from my mom. That belonged to my mom. A little something in there that belonged to my mom. All around, just like if I was sewing. Just putting it all. And I'm not putting it on the top part because the glue would go through and then it would not allow me to open the pocket. And like I said, I want to stick something in there. Pretty? Let me get to work on the other one. Okay. I'm going to staple this here just the same way I did with the other one. And so I finished them, and here's the one with my sister Vivian. What I did put was a little pin that belonged to my mom on each of the pockets. So I think my sisters are gonna love having that, and my mom's blouse. I really love the way that it turned out. I hope that they do as well. It's really inexpensive to make, and I used mostly Dollar Tree items, the frame, the tape, except for the blouse, of course, and the pictures, but it was quick and it was inexpensive. And what a beautiful thought to give to someone that you love who has had loss in their life. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.